In 2006, the International Astronomical Union downgraded the status of Pluto to a dwarf planet. At the time, fans of the small but unique world were upset with this decision, but why was it redesignated as a dwarf planet? Welcome to the Daily Galactic. Today we're talking about the wonderful world of Pluto and the reasons behind its reclassification. Pluto was originally discovered in 1930 by Clyde Tombaugh. This was a time of planet hunting, and the possibility of a ninth planet, dubbed Planet X, captivated many astronomers across the world. Before its official discovery, there were actually 16 pre-discoveries where Pluto was unknowingly photographed. The earliest of these was at the Observatory in 1909. To make the discovery of Pluto, Clyde Tombaugh used a machine called a blink comparator. This rapidly shifted between images of the night sky to create the illusion of movement, similar to how frames work in videos. By doing this, he was able to see if any distant objects had moved significantly over time. Eventually, Pluto was spotted having moved across its orbit over the course of 6 days, and the discovery of Pluto was official. The incredible discovery made headlines all across the globe, and over 1,000 suggestions for the naming of Pluto were given to the Lowell Observatory. In the end, it was an 11-year-old girl called Venetia Burney from Oxford in England who suggested the name for Pluto. She believed that the god of the underworld would be a suiting name for such a cold and desolate world, and she was given a £5 reward, which doesn't seem like much but is about £320 in modern times. Many years later, the International Astronomical Union came up with a set of criteria to establish what a full-size planet is. 1. It is in orbit around the Sun. 2. It has sufficient mass to achieve hydrostatic equilibrium, in which an object is rounded by its own gravity. And 3. It has cleared the neighbourhood around its orbit. Unfortunately, Pluto only meets 2 of these criteria. It is in orbit around the Sun, and it has achieved hydrostatic equilibrium. In all of the years it has been around, it hasn't cleared the area around it. What does it mean for a planet to clear its neighbourhood though? Well, it essentially means that the planet has become gravitationally dominant within its region of the solar system. The terrestrial planets, meaning the ones found in the inner solar system, are clear of other objects, apart from their satellites. Same with the outer gas giants. There are no celestial bodies of similar sizes in their vicinity. Because of this criteria, any larger body that doesn't meet all 3 are now classified as a dwarf planet. Pluto's orbit takes it within the Kuiper belt, where it is surrounded by Kuiper belt objects like asteroids and the Plutinos. The same goes for Ceres, Eris, Haumea and Makemake, the other 4 dwarf planets. They're found within the asteroid belt between Mars and Jupiter, and in the Kuiper belt beyond Neptune, meaning they're surrounded by other objects. So there you have it. Now you know why Pluto is no longer a planet. Leave a like if you learned something new, and be sure to subscribe to catch my next video. Also comment any questions you have and I'll be sure to answer them. See you soon.